Okay, well, I'm saying...
Why are you so nervous, deputy?
Nervous?
Yeah, you're nervous. You're shaking like a mother.
I'm going to cite you for your window tint as well.
Okay, cite me.
Okay, do you mind rolling it up for me?
No, I'm not gonna do that.
You know it's a traffic violation, right?
I get that, but I don't have to assist you with your investigation. I gave you everything I'm required to give you. My driver license and insurance. I don't have to answer any of your questions. You need to learn that.
Not a question.
You asked me what my height is, you dumbass.
What up, guys? Welcome back. We got a video that I know you're gonna like. This one comes from an OG in the game. He's been around a long time. I really like this dude's work. We're gonna get right to it. We're not gonna waste any time. I will be dropping his links in the description and in the pinned comment. Let's get right to it.
That window's broken.
You go ahead and roll up your window?
No thanks.
Why not? You know your your tint's under the legal limit, right? 25%?
I don't answer questions.
It's not a question.
You did ask me a question. You just asked me, did I know something?
Okay, well, I'm saying...
Why are you so nervous, deputy?
Nervous?
Yeah, you're nervous. You're shaking like a motherfucker.
Nervous about what?
Are you gonna give me some tickets?
Yeah, I'm going to cite you for your window tint as well.
Okay, cite me.
Okay, do you mind rolling it up for me?
No, I'm not gonna do that.
You know it's a traffic violation, right?
I get that, but I don't have to assist you with your investigation.
Formerly known as ℍ 𝔼𝔼 the channel is now called For the People, FTP. You guys make sure you go subscribe to his channel. He's got a lot of videos on there. You're definitely gonna like his work. Let's get right back to it.
It's not an investigation.
You're doing an investigation right now.
Traffic stop.
Okay, do your investigation, but I'm not gonna assist you.
You're not going to assist me?
I'm not going to assist you. I'm going to comply with any lawful orders you give me. Rolling up my window is not a lawful order.
Well, you know it's a traffic violation.
Okay,
right?
give me a ticket then.
Like I said, I need to get the window percentage.
I'm not going to comply with that. I don't have to. Okay. I'm not going to assist you in your investigation. This is a reasonable suspicion. This is not probable cause. You suspect my window tint is illegal. You don't have probable cause. Until you use that temp meter on my window, that's probable cause. I'm not going to assist you in your investigation.
Like I said, it's probable cause.
It's not probable cause.
Yes, it is.
Pulling me over for speeding is probable cause. Window tint is suspicion. Reasonable suspicion.
So if I can't see it through the vehicle, that's probable cause. Can you provide me your driver license again?
You don't have it?
No, I didn't get your DO number. Can I just clarify? When does it expire? What's your height?
I don't answer questions. I mean, I gave you everything I'm required to give you.
So how am I supposed to identify you?
I just gave you my driver license.
What would you say, more or less? 6 feet?
Take a guess. Take a guess, bro. I gave you everything I'm required to give you. My driver license and insurance. I don't have to answer any of your questions. You need to learn that.
Not a question.
You asked me what my height is, you dumbass.
Let me pause to say this really quick. Many of us learn from each other. I actually did not know that you really didn't have to roll up your window so that they can actually check it. You could just demand the damn ticket, right? I wonder what happens if they don't have any proof on their end at the end of the day. Another thing I want to point out is the fact that this cop is a youngster. I definitely think it's important for the people to talk to this youngster cop in this way so that he knows the people are the ones in charge. Now I get it. Cops want to think, oh, we're just out here trying to deter crime, yada, 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 enforce laws, whoop-de-whoop. We've all heard it before. But a lot of these cops will take presumed authority and turn it into unbridled power. It takes people like For the People, aka ℍ 𝔼𝔼 to remind them that we the people have the power. Their jobs are very limited. The problem is many of us don't know this. That's why it's important that these videos come out. That's why I have so much respect for this man. He's been around a long time. I want to see if we can get this dude over 100,000 subscribers. He definitely deserves it. Let's get back to the video. I'll give you my final thoughts at the end.
Yes, That's a
So you're
question.
supposed to provide your driver license.
I gave you my driver license.
So you're supposed to display it.
I did.
Like you said earlier.
I
you're supposed to
did.
display
I did display it. I just.
And I'm asking you to display it again.
I did it twice already. Go
I
run
can
it.
ask you again?
Hey, when you run my license, it'll tell you my height.
That doesn't say.
Okay.
$5.11.
What else you need off this?
Thank you very much.
What else you need off this?
Blue eyes.
Big dick.
What?
It says that on there. It says it on the back.
Say so, sir.
Why are you so fucking nervous, man? You never dealt with a guy like me, have you?
Honestly, I don't care about you.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck about you either. Give me a fucking citation and let me go.
Read your citation. See your signature.
Hold this.
Read your copy.
Next time, don't escalate, man. De-escalate.
Escalate.
Learn how to de-escalate, motherfucker. The fuck out of here. The fuck out of here, bitch. Young ass motherfucker. I'm old enough to be your daddy, motherfucker. Shut the fuck up.
This is how we do it. Alright folks, here are my final thoughts. I like the fact that he asked the cop, why are you so nervous? You've never dealt with anyone like me before. This is true. Cops are not used to dealing with people who know their rights and stand up for themselves. Let me tell you guys a little something. When you stand up for your rights, you stand up for the rights of everyone. When you just comply, you empower these tyrants. They behave the way they behave with the people because we're not holding them accountable. It's very important to know the Constitution. If it's too much to learn, I get it. Start with the Bill of Rights, which is the first 10 amendments. And if that's too hard for you to learn right now, then at least study the First, Fourth, and Fifth Amendments. Those will help you. In the First Amendment, you have the freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and freedom to petition your government for redress of grievances. In the Fourth Amendment, you have the right to be secure in your papers, persons, effects, and your homes. In the Fifth Amendment, just like my friends at the Pot Brothers at Law will tell you, shut the fuck up. Don't say nothing. You don't have to incriminate yourself by speaking. And cops, they want to act like your friends just to get you to talk. But the entire time, they're looking for words that they can use against you. Don't let that happen, folks. These types of channels are important. That's why I continue to do the work that I do. I can go off and do a lot of other different things, but I really like this work. I think it's important for me to continue to learn as well. My mom used to call me Mr. Know-It-All, but every day I'm learning something. Yesterday I spoke to a professor, sat in his office, and I was totally blown away. I cannot wait to bring you guys what I learned from him. It's important that you know your rights because these cops are briefed every single day to go out and get identification. They want to run you through the ringer. They want to get as many criminals off the streets as possible, but that's not necessarily true, folks. Many police departments are known to be revenue generators for the state, hold government accountable. Not only is it important to know your First, Fourth, and Fifth Amendment rights, but it's also important to record your police interactions. You know, I say this all the time, folks. Freedom should be the topic on every single dinner table in America every single night. But no, we're sitting there talking about movies, sports, and everything else under the sun that's entertaining. Why aren't you guys learning your rights? That has to be the most entertaining thing that I've ever done in my life. I don't even care about sports statistics anymore. When you know your rights, folks, it is an empowerment. You will not regret it and you will not lose it. You will keep it forever and you will take it with you wherever you go. Empower yourselves. With that being said, massive shout out to SA Ecstasy Prez, aka For the People. Nothing but respect for this dude. Go subscribe to his channel. Let him know that I sent you. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.